We're
Yeah.
familiar with that illustration. But there was an illustration that was created by Deloitte, and it basically has three sort of uh, illustrations in this. The first illustration, it has three people that are standing next to a fence. They're all standing on one rock. The person on the right can't see over the fence. The person in the middle can barely see over the fence. The person on the left can clearly see over the fence. In the second illustration, the person on the right has been given two additional rocks so they can see over the fence now. The person in the middle has been given one additional rock so they can see over the fence. And the person on the left still has the one rock because they were always able to see over the fence. And in my analogy that I use for the purposes of the book, the rocks that are given represent acts of equity.
Yeah.
And so there is equal access for everyone to see over the fence. And the fence represents, so the acts of equity are employee resource groups, various different uh, sourcing strategies for recruiters and staffers bringing people into an organization, um, various different things that are done to allow people to get access around talent management programs and et cetera. And so also, but what needs to be done is that fence, in my analogy, it represents all of the isms, the longer term issues that didn't crop up overnight. They've been happening gradually over the course of decades and centuries even. And I call those isms racism, sexism, homophobia, xenophobia, all of those things that are going to take a longer term strategy to try to correct.